So in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok message problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the TikTok app. Click on this for stop or stop running the app, and then go down to the storage. Click on it. Click on this clear data and click on clear cache. Go back, click on open by default right here, and click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Now you have to do one last thing. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and search for TikTok. Sorry, like this. After that, you have to click on this update option to update your TikTok into the latest version, because sometimes the problem is just from the update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end.